Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how you can decorate your glue bottles with different techniques. So I am using total 4 techniques today because we work with our glues very much while doing our crafts. So I thought, why not decorate the bottle as well? So without any delay, let's get started. For this we need white gesso, decoupage glue and varnish, paintbrush, some different patterns of paper tapes, glitter powders, transfer me sheet and decoupage paper. So my first technique is using tapes. So here I am taking some glitter paper tape and the glue bottle. I have removed the plastic cover from my glue bottle, and these are my beautiful glittery tapes. You can also use washi tapes or any kind of designer tapes. This tape is not very sticky, that's why I have decided to use B6000 glue. It will stick our tape permanently with the bottle. So I'm just applying little glue in the bottom of my glue bottle. You can also use any strong adhesive like Fevibond or Fevikwik. And now I'm taking my pink tape and I will start adding this in the bottom. For the end as well, I am adding little glue and now just cutting the excess tape, and it's done. Now I'm taking my another shade. So first adding glue and then I'm taking my green tape. In the same way, I will add rest of the tapes in different combinations. So after adding the series of these tapes, my bottle is ready to use. Isn't it looking very sparkly and gorgeous and super easy to decorate it? So my first method is done. Now I'm proceeding to the second one using glitters. Glitters. So I am taking these blue and golden glitter bottles. This is from Pie Lane, but you can use any branded or non-branded glitter, that not matters. Now I'm taking my glue bottle and first applying Fevicol or liquid glue in the bottom and spreading it using my brush. I have used generous amount of glue here. And now first I'm sticking my dark blue glitter powder in the bottom. So just sprinkling it and tapping the excess powder. So it's done. Now in the middle part I am adding my golden glitter. Then on the remaining portion I will add again my dark blue color glitter. So it's done. Allow it to dry completely. Then we're gonna varnish it. So the glitter is completely dried and I'm using my Cadence varnish. This is water based varnish and I'm just covering it using this so that when we will use our bottle, the glitter will not come out. You can also use a Mod Podge or homemade decoupage glue to stick this. So allow it to dry and it's ready to use. Now I am proceeding to my third procedure, that is the decoupage technique. So first I am applying white gesso on whole bottle. It will prime your base and also it will give you very nice opaque texture for your decoupage paper. So just cover whole bottle using white gesso. Here I am using gesso from Little Birdie brand. You can use any gesso or even you can use homemade gesso. Now my gesso is completely dried and I am taking this beautiful floral decoupage paper. So first I am removing the ply from this like this and our paper is ready. Now I am taking my decoupage glue. This is from iCraft. You can use any decoupage glue, even you can use Mod Podge. And I am applying glue only on small portion first and I will start adding my paper on small portion one by one so that it will be easier us to stick and also we can remove wrinkles and bubbles on small area. Use your fingers to flatten the paper and do it very gently, otherwise you can tear the paper. Now in the same way I will cover the whole bottle by applying glue in small portions. So it's completely done. Allow it to dry. Now I am taking my pink color chalk paint and just adding little chalk paint on top and in the bottom just to mix the color and our decoupage paper so that it will look like a complete one thing. And I am doing little shading here. I have chosen pink shade because my flowers are in the pink color. So in this way you can match your color according to your decoupage paper. This chalk paint is from iCraft. If you don't have chalk paint, you can create your own. I have already shown in my video how to create your own chalk paints, own decoupage glue, your own gesso. So I have given link in description box if you want to create it at home. In the same way I'm doing it in the bottom. So it's done. Now on the knob of glue bottle I am adding green color. So I have chosen the green shade just to match with the leaves of flowers. Like this. So I have connected the knob with the bottle and it's looking perfect. Now I'm just applying varnish on my bottle, and after drying it is ready to use. Like this. So the third method is also done. Now I am proceeding to the last method, that is using transfer me sheet. So I have these beautiful cute flowers in transfer me. I am just fussy cutting it using my small scissor. In the same way I have fussy cut already some flowers. So now just take one flower, remove the film, transparent film from top of it, and take your glue bottle and stick it directly on this from back side. On this bottle I didn't apply any gesso or anything. I am using it directly on plain bottle. Now I am just adding little water on top of our transfer me area using brush. Do it very gently and spread the water evenly. Do not take too much water. And slide it slowly and see the beautiful transforming magic and how beautiful the flower is looking on white background. In the same way I will adhere the flower randomly on the bottle. So first I am sticking all the flowers and then I will remove it after applying water. So it's done. Beautiful. And after drying just apply varnish and it's ready to use. So all my 4 techniques using different ideas to decorate glue bottles are done. and you can try these ideas at home very easily. There are many more ideas, like you can add stickers, you can tie any ribbons, you can draw anything using dot mandala drawing, you can adhere any rope around the bottle. So there are many ideas you can apply. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.